Oh, ooh, that's actually working. I didn't think it would. Oh. Ooh, I just bit down really hard and felt like I almost chipped a tooth. Okay, no, it's not moving no more. Can we get to it? Friggin' right we can. Freaking mosquitoes are so bad tonight, but we just got done 6 days of constant, very heavy rain, so I'm not surprised that they're this bad. This one might be a little interesting. Ah, damn. There we go. I don't know why I'm wiping it, it's just making it worse. Number 5. Oop, forgot that bolt. Oh, there we go. Alright, number 5 is this side. Oh, heavy. I feel like I should have some kind of soft mallet to be tapping this with. It's not gonna move anymore. Oof. I almost need a freaking belt or something to fire around there. I guess before I move it, I'll get this guy off. Freaking mosquitoes. Then I gotta clean up all my valves and everything all ready to go. Very exciting. I like how close ratio this ratchet is too. Very nice. Oh, for frick's sakes. Didn't get him. I had to have got him that time. Freaking mosquitoes. Dirt all over me. This is number 2. Number 2. Oh dear. Freaking knocked that guy loose, but not not gonna happen on it. So now maybe we can get it to do the El Rotato backwards. So there we go. Holy frig. Oh, that one's freaking missing. Get back on there, you stupid bearing. Bushing? I can't remember what the freaking call. Really? You're getting stuck again. Number 5. This one's got some freaking light scoring on it as well. Now it's your turn. Do. Oh yeah. That one's got some scoring onto it right there. It's pretty bad. Alright, let's get 1 and 6 out now. Ooh, she spins nice now. Irrit. I'm a dork. Oh, you're not gonna spin now, are you? Wait a minute. That's the back. No. Have I been doing that backwards?
New building!
Frig sakes. Every time. Every friggin' time. Number 2. I'm gonna have to rewatch the video. No, I've been doing them backwards. I gotta switch them all. Beg my pardon. Your 4. Your 2. That was close. I just noticed the 1 stamped onto this one and I was like, wait a minute. Yeah, that's the freaking back of the block. I got it all freaking confused. Can't be doing that. Silly head. Because I thought this was the passenger side of the block. This is actually the driver's side. This side. So that's why there's an L stamped onto it for left. Adurr! So this is number 1, not number 6. This is number 6, not number 1. Ooh, those are feeling weird. Almost feels, oh, that might be my nerves again. Freaking back muscles so freaking tight, they're cutting off circulation and stuff, and these three don't feel right. Alright, let's get these guys out of here. The reason why I'm hammering on that is because I'm replacing the bearings on them. These are all getting replaced. If I didn't have these on here, I would not be hammering on it. So, that is all. So that's number one. That one's my favorite. And number 6. Oh, that one might actually be hitting. It is. That's freaking awesome. There we go. Well, good thing distance. Probably shouldn't do this when I'm tired. Really shouldn't do this when I'm tired. Let's see what I wrecked. I just freaking dented the very tip of the piston right there, so gotta be careful. Mind your surroundings. Never did learn to mind your surroundings. Movie quotes. Brag. Okay, camshaft, crankshaft. What's wrong with me? I'm betting those are 18s. Oh. 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 And those are not marked. Are they? They do not look marked. So I'm going to mark them. I've been waiting for an excuse to use this thing. So friggin' number punch set. My wallet fell weird and now it's freaking, there we go. Okay, so number punch set, we've got number 1. I'll just make sure I'm freaking doing it right. Oh, no, they do have L, M, wait, M, K, J, what? I don't freaking understand that. So let's see if, I don't know if I should do this now. But whatever. Here goes. Number 1. Friggin' right. Number 2. Not number 7. Number 3. I'll put these in line properly. Number 4. You guys are gonna have to remind me that I'm punching them all on the driver's side of the block, okay? Don't let me forget, guys. Holy Christmas. Oh, it's punched into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's kind of crappy, but it's there. Let's try that again. Much better. Now we need 7. Where the heck did I put it? And 7. So freaking right. So I've been waiting, wanting an excuse to use this, my freaking number punches. Now I finally have. Alright, let's crack this beast open. I'm so glad Wayne's gonna help with the assembly. He has air tools and knowledge. How long is this video? 27 minutes. Good thing I put another freaking memory card in here, so I got 16 gigs combined. 2 8-gig sticks. Frig. See, it's only the tender that gets really stuck. Ooh, look at that. Can you guys see that? This frickin' looks pretty burned to me. I'm gonna be quite upset. Quite upset if this turns out to be frickin' ruined. This one's got some light scoring on it too. Oh dear. Yeah, that one, same story. just light scoring. But I guess they're just freaking mains. I think you can order oversized mains, so if you need to, you can get these freaking taken down a bit. And I got a mosquito biting my neck, and by neck I mean shoulder. Let's show that stupid son of a you know what. I'm gonna need to shower. They're getting bad. I wonder if the fire's dying down. Yeah, that one's got some scoring as well. He's starting to bite me again. Oh, I got him. Oh, he's not there. It might just be tingly from him biting. Him has sharp frickin' little... I don't know. I'm just tired. I'm gonna stop talking for a minute. Light scoring. It's gonna be fun trying to pack all these parts up and keep them all ordered and stuff. Yeah, no, I definitely need a workbench. My back's starting to get sore from hunching over. One more, and I'm gonna sit by the fire. It's like, did I forget one? Nope. Nope, I didn't. Alright, last one. Frick. Alright, crankshaft. Time to come out. When you're dealing with really precision stuff, you want to be really careful with your hands. My brother, friggin', he was spinning the crankshaft and something caught and it freaking cut his nail half. Like it cut through his nail and into his finger right down to his bone. So, kind of want to be careful around precision machine stuff. Okay. This thing's freaking light. Okay, very not light. It's a solid freaking cast. Yeah, heavy lifting crap. Okay. Well, cranks out. Friggin' mates. Interesting. That frickin' didn't feel very good. Now I'm gonna leave these in just in case. Just in case. So, yeah. Freaking pull my tappets out now. I don't know why I keep wiping it to try to get a better look, because it never works. That is dirtier as frig. That's funky looking. Oof. Wow, that one's actually got some friggin' burrs onto it. I really hope I get to. I'm gonna clean this up and show it to you. Really hope I get new tappets. See all that frickin' grungy stuff? Yeah, that's, I can catch my frickin' nail on that. That's pitted. Oh, I love how well this thing was maintained. That one's okay. That one's okay. No, that one's got some pitting on it. Oh, I love that. Just kidding. I freaking can't stand that kind. So I'm singing. Unbelievable. Okay, so that's friggin' all the tappets out, friggin' cam out, crankshaft out. Yeah, just motor mounts and friggin' that's not crap, but I'm friggin' tripping. It is a 53 block, but that's whatever. It's just a number. Motor mounts, that weird bracket thing. One, not quite sure where that guy goes. Oil, something or other. Oh, I've got another tab there. 10 mil here. This thing's ready to friggin' go. So friggin' right. So, I guess Wayne wants me to take his truck home on Monday and load up the block so I can get her friggin' ready to go. So friggin' rights, guys. Anyways, that'll do it for tonight. I'm freaking excited as frig I am. Alright guys, well that'll do it for tonight. I'm tired as frig. Crankshaft's out, block's pretty much stripped, she's ready to go. I'm holding the tripod. Hopefully you guys didn't just vomit. But yeah, so thanks for watching guys, and until next time, take care.